Hello, handsome and beautiful people of the internet and YouTube. My name's Sam,
My name's Tony.
and this is our Resident Evil 6 Super Happy Fun Time playthrough of awesomeness. We are currently on part 3 of our video for Chapter 1, and it's taken so fucking long to do.
I was quite surprised I didn't get killed by that train. Damn quick time events, I'm never good at them.
I just love how you just sounded like that spokesman. It's like, yes, Bob, I'm surprised it didn't happen either.
Play me off, Johnny! Play me fall down the stairs! Okay! No.
Yeah. No,
I downed like half a bottle of energy drink before I came back upstairs, so...
It's an activity. There's an emblem here.
Where? Ooh, sneaky, sneaky. You know what? If you shoot an emblem, it shouldn't be able to you shouldn't use up ammo.
Oh yeah, you should. Oh, this part creeps me out first time I saw this. This is just like, look at all them dead people.
This is a nightmare.
Oh jeez!
Oh,
Oh, I changed my mind. I changed my mind.
Granada in the hole. I just love how you see the bullet wounds in it though.
Hello.
Oh god, where? Ah! You got hit by a train.
There was no quick time event. There was no fucking quick time event.
Yeah, probably because you wasn't facing it. Okay, let's do this again. Knock knock. Who's there? Ow.
Dead knock knock. Right.
It was another Jehovah's Witness. Alright, we'll stay on the right hand side this time, because the train came from the left.
No, it came from the one you are currently on.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So we'll stay on the left.
That is not going to let me live this down. He's going to watch this video, and he's just going to be on the phone.
Right, let me just lob this grenade over there. Catch!
Look out! Train!
Whoa! Zombie jump! Zombies jump! Zombies jump! I didn't even know that.
I'll wait till we get to all the zombies in China. They learn Kung Fu.
Do they?
No.
Oh, damn it. Oh, thank you. He was about to bite me there. Yum. Kapow. I don't like this whole aiming system though. It's weird.
Oh.
How many times do I have to shoot you in the head? Thank you.
Bit of gamer rage going on.
Yeah, no, come on. It's like zombies. You hit them once in the head, they should drop down no matter what weapon it is. Even if you drop a fly in the head, probably. Right, where are you? What are you doing back there?
I was grabbing ammo.
Oh, speed!
I think we should just lay off the insider jokes until we reveal them in other videos. Because people aren't going to know what the fuck we're talking about.
Oh well, they'll learn and they'll look back and go, "Oh, I got that." It's like watching Toy Story, like how when you're around about 20 plus, you get the jokes in that like you would never usually get when you were little. I can't get in the train. What do I do?
But I could open it from the inside. I want to have a look around in there. Boost me up on top.
Yeah.
Just don't leave me behind.
Put me on top. And let me just grab this first, whatever it is. Skill points. I still need to do my skills. Oh, okay, I need a hold beat. Whee! I'm king of the castle, and you're the dirty rascal. Right, up there. Oh, there's going to be a zombie in here, isn't there? Hello! Oh, I thought that was a mannequin there for a sec, so I just shot it anyway. How do I open it? Oh, here.
How else would you open the door?
I don't know!
I got attacked as
I'm
soon
slightly
as I dropped in.
speshy.
Keep your guard up.
You're slightly speshy.
See, she looks like a mannequin, the little woman sitting down. Look at her.
Well, she's got her legs open. Invitation.
Your discretion is advised.
Probably should save the necrophilia jokes for when we're hopefully better known.
Yeah, yeah.
Till people know us a bit better.
I don't like how the zombies are just sitting here while they. I don't know if they're dead, but. Oh, how the hell does it take both of us to open a door?
Why do you need to quick time event to open a door in the first place?
Ah, good point. Shoulder margin! What weapons do I have now? I still have my shotgun. Hello!
Oh Jesus H. Batman!
I don't think. Oh, whoa! Oh, acid. This. Ow.
Ah!
Why did. Since when did this bit?
Since Resident Evil 1.
Really?
Yeah.
Like I said, I really haven't played it that much.
Yeah.
I only played a bit of Resi 4 and then completed Resi 5 with you, but they didn't spit it all then.
Well, that's because they weren't really zombies. In the older Resident Evil
Oh
games,
yeah, they were. Yeah, they are zombies in this one, but last one it was just infected people. Yeah.
Yeah, in the older Resident Evil games, the only time they could actually do it was if you were on step.
Ow!
Okay. Well, I'll try and get
Welcome.
I'll try and get a word in now. The only time zombies could spit on you in the older games was when you were on the stairs.
Oh! Sorry. Sounded a bit like Super Mario there. Woohoo!
Yahoo!
Seriously, who sprints like this?
Like what?
I wave my arms back and forth, I wave my arms back and forth. You don't run like that. I need more pistol ammo, I think I'm wasting too much. Ow. Oh, actually, he dropped something. Remote what?
Remote bomb.
How do you equip that? Ooh! I got a rocket in my pocket. What did you do? Did you headbutt it?
I need you to open this door!
There was a big smash on the other side.
I had to save Peter!
Hello! Oh no, she's fat. No, we'll just leave her for the zombies.
Oh, come on!
No, it'll bide us time.
Yeah, but I'm fat. What are you trying to say against fat people?
Please!
Oh, nothing.
Wait, no! Don't open that!
And this is where natural selection comes in. Stand back, Tony.
Peter, hang on! I'm coming!
I ran out of incendiary grenades. Oh, actually, remote C4. Let me just use this. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, move back, move back, move back, move back. I want to see what this DNA. Oh, okay. Kapow! Oh, I love remotely detonating C4. Oh, you can wall cover. Oh, that's even better. Keep forgetting to switch weapons. I keep going to like what do you call it, Far Cry. Oh, hello.
Oh shit. Ah!
How many are there? See, this is why I should have kept my grenades. Oh, don't start this again. Ow. Give me herbs! Give me herbs! Oh, you can keep pressing the button.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you had to do it one by one. See, really should have more accuracy lying down like this. You know, I suck doing that.
I swear,
I
these
need
are
more
like
ammo.
the strongest zombies in the game. This is one part in the game. These fuckers do not
No,
go
it's just
down.
a good. No, it's just because there's that many of them. Oh, I ran out. Oh no, I haven't.
Must have been something really interesting on that wall. Oh, magnum ammo.
Curb stomp! Power round kisser. I need some more ammo. I'm gonna start using my shotgun for a bit. I prefer the pistol than the shotgun, so. Oh, I need to shoot that. I need to shoot that. Surprise! I thought there was someone going behind me. Thank you, Turtle Beaches. Oh, I haven't reloaded.
Good, you made it. I reached the street level from there.
Kapow! What we got here?
It's gotten pretty
Skill
bad.
point.
Hell on Earth isn't
When
much
you
of a
get grabbed,
stretch.
press B and it alerts me that you've been grabbed.
What if you grab me, then who do I alert?
No, if the zombies grab you. How could I grab you?
Yep. I'm a woman. That's all you need to know. Don't you? Oh God, me. Oh
Yeah,
God.
you can cry harassment at any moment.
Ugh. I'm really, really thirsty today. Probably because I've got a cold and I need my liquids.
I don't think energy drinks are the answer for that then.
No, I've got summer fruits now. I'm good.
Oh.
Get to the
You two will have to cross that
cathedral.
part of town to get to the
Okay,
cathedral.
we're nearly
Keep your lines open in
done,
case you run
sort
into
of.
trouble.
Zombies falling over each other. Hello!
Ow.
What happened there?
He shot the oxygen tank on his back.
Leon, look out!
Whoa, that is awesome.
Only in humanity!
Oh, sorry. I almost shot the guy. I need some herbs soon. I've only got 3 left.
Yeah, these zombies aren't like... Well, zombies. The civilians. See, that's how easy they are to get confused, because they're that freaking stupid.
I'm shooting zombies in the back. It's not doing any damage.
The whole point.
It's like nothing's happening.
It's like zombie basic 101, you shoot them in the head.
Attack! Ah. Yeah, I know, but like I was shooting with a shotgun and like nothing was. It didn't even make him stumble. No bullet marks. Haha. Oh, should we mercy kill him?
Hold on, I'll get you out.
Megan's right.
I don't know why I laughed at that.
Yeah, I ain't fighting through this. Fuck that.
Yeah, me neither. I've got no ammo left. Who's shooting at us?
No, some of the zombies can use guns.
Really?
Yes, really.
Oh, it's like zombies off Dawn of the Dead. Or was it Dawn of the Dead?
Land
With the
of
one,
the Dead.
with the smart Land of the Dead. Yeah, the smart
that?
black zombie.
Just love how you single him out. So
I don't know which way I'm going.
do you want to do
Oh, that
something
way.
really fun?
Depends what it is. Up.
Press right trigger when you see the icon.
I don't think people's heads crack like that though.
But they're probably softer.
Really?
I don't know.
I just don't like. The only thing I complain about these type of games is the whole fact you have to use a button for every single action. You can't just walk off an edge. Yeah, run away. I can't run in a straight line. I think she's drunk. This will be the title of this video, Drunk Running.
I need backup!
Got ya! Oh! Hush! Oh no, ammo! Ammo! Oh, of course, everything has to make a noise.
Only if we wait here. Come on.
Ow. That's smart, zombies, Sam! They're climbing ladders! It's against all physics! God, I do like it at the same time because it shows the chaos that's actually happening.
Completely forgot about that. Oh, hello!
Hello! It's like, what you guys doing?
Maybe we can even catch our breath.
Didn't you hear
Bird
me say
goal
we have to
player.
hurry?
Oh, you want a game of snooker?
Alright.
Let's do some trick shots. I wish you actually
Rather-
get to play it.
Balls don't even move.
Whoa! It's a fridge.
Hey! Oh yeah, typical. Women would come into the kitchen and go straight to the fridge. Oh!
Oh, shut up. No, that's what a man does. A woman cooks it,
There
then puts
are
it in the
going to be
fridge.
some people that we know who are just going to be watching this and just I'm going to receive so many slaps. Stop!
Why is there a gun icon? I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. Oh, sorry. That's what you get for being stupid. I am just too stupid to insult. How do you get that weapon?
Going on the other side. Ah!
A final transmission was received from the vessel before its disappearance. A transmission alluding
Oh, I'm
to
gonna
a
watch some
potential
TV for a
attack
sec.
from an organization or individual
Navy
of
submarine
unknown
missing.
origin.
I'll give you one guess where that's gone.
That's the water.
It's locked.
It's the Navy. Find the key. Backdoor key. Yeah, yeah. Oh, for God's sake.
See, that's the part I like. Infected, but not like, you know, caught. Well, he is now.
Oh!
Final transmission
So now
was
shot him in
received
the head.
before its disappearance.
Yeah, but I smacked him at the same time. My screen, it looked like I actually hurt him.
Okay, but in reality,
Alright.
I shot him.
I just check. I'm just gonna. Oh, hello! Thank you. Well, let me just set my pills up. Forgot I had to do this already. There we go. Combine that with
The amount
that.
of pills we're carrying, I'm surprised Lewis from Left 4 Dead hasn't come along and mugged us.
Pills!
Left 4 Dead
Alright.
game. Advertisement. Fuck it.
Oh, shotgun. So this just uses standard rounds.
Yeah.
No, save him! That was like ground humping.
They weren't very hungry, were they? Tony.
Oh great, look, they can climb? Ooh, they're making out. Oh great, more Titans on. Don't you run away from me!
Nails on a chalkboard.
Random piece of information for you, Tony. That zombie that screamed and ran away was actually a early design for the Boomer for Left 4 Dead.
Really?
Yeah. Before the Boomer,
sweet.
before the Boomer filed with the track.
That was a scream.
Well, no, there was a whole zombie altogether called the Shrieker or Screamer. I forget the name. If anyone knows the name of the actual zombie, it should be in the Left 4 Dead zombie. Again, if anyone can tell us that, great. But yeah, it was just a zombie that would see you, run away, and then scream. And it was more than infected. It was in a stranger, so. But I mean, I suppose.
Check the zombie out dangling.
I suppose in zombies, there's only so far you can take your imagination before you start acting.
What you do? Just hanging around. Just kill him, he's annoying my ears. Oh, he fell.
Oh yeah, when
How did-
when like, well, let's just call them screamers. When screamers die, when you shoot them in the throat correctly, they kill any surrounding zombies. So it's quite useful.
Sweet.
Such strategic value.
Alright, we'll stop here for a bit.
Uh,
Because it's getting up to the mark.
okay, guys, we're gonna, as you probably just heard,
Another 30 seconds or so, so we'll inventory check. Sound off.
Hard.
Stop! No, that's one less bullet now. Or shell. Ha ha ha! Ow! God, I have no ammo for that shotgun anymore. Alright! We shall see people next time.
Alright,
I'll
see
give
you
you a nice
next
view
time.
of her boobs.